What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on XCN. So if you are interested what I'm currently thinking about this coin and what is the exact price that I'm expecting this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end, because right now we are starting to form here again really interesting trading setup. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a 4-hour chart. Right now we are testing here this bearish order block area, and this is super important resistance, which is between level 0.02015 and 0.01752. Right now, opening a long position can be really risky because we are under these two important resistances. But once there will be breakout with a support confirmation, this can be actually next interesting long entry. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So entry will be above this bearish order block area, and stop loss you need to place under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown with the resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. You can see we are having here these two bearish order blocks. These are like two separate areas, and in my opinion the, let's say, more important is this second one. So if you want to have here, let's say, more risky trade with lower stop loss, you can place your stop loss just under the first one, so under the level 0.01890, which will give you stop loss itself around 7% and 7.6% of a net market, which I think is definitely better. Last take profit targets, in this case I will be placing somewhere under $0.04, something like that, which will give me a potential profit around 95% of a net market and potential risk reward ratio 12.59. In this case you definitely want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you then want to take under these previous important highs, above this high, under 0.35, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end the risk reward ratio will be more like 8, something like that, which is in my opinion really great. If you will decide to take here that more safer stop loss with 14% of a net market, the risk reward ratio will be then only 6.7, and with multiple take profit targets you will get risk reward ratio more like 4, which is not that great for a trade in which we are speculating on like almost 100% of a net market. So in my opinion the more risky approach is definitely better. And if you, for example, want to know about all the trades that I'm watching and all the trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing these types of setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. But keep in mind that right now there are a lot of scammers who are pretending to be me, so if you will ever receive a message from the account that looks like mine, keep in mind it's a scam. If we will take a look on a daily time frame, you can see that we took perfectly liquidity under these previous important lows. So a lot of people who are opening some long positions in these areas, they probably put their stop losses under this previous low, and right now this was a perfect liquidity grab. So if you are thinking about opening a long position right now on a daily time frame, this is making a perfect sense, because stop loss we can place just under this current low, because if we are gonna drop under, there is pretty high probability that we are gonna retest these lower levels, and last take profit targets you can then again place under 0.04, something like that, which are, by the way, these previous important highs. This trade will then give you risk reward ratio again up to 12.56 with stop loss around 10.5% of a net market, with potential target 131%. Again, you want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you definitely want to take under this bearish order block area, which is between level 0.02270 and 0.02022. So some profits you need to take under, some above in case of another liquidity grab, then above this high, 3.5, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end the risk reward ratio will be again around 8.5 in this case, something like that, which is another really great setup. Definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin. in my opinion, this coin is really great, and we can catch really insane pumps on it. You can see that, for example, the exact last trade that I was talking about was in these previous lows, which end up in a pump to the current levels around 100% of net market. To the stop, it was around 230%. And right now, this is another really great opportunity. I'm not saying that there will be, let's say, this huge pump like fast, but in my opinion, there is high probability that from the current point we are gonna go up, because there was a perfect liquidity grab. The market is in a bullish condition, and we only have here this one important resistance. If it comes to the exact prediction that I have for this coin to this bull market, then if I'm gonna switch on a weekly time frame, I still think we are gonna take liquidity above this previous important highs, and let's say the bullish scenario is $0.1 mark, something like that, which is from a current level pump around like 500% of net market, something like that, which is kinda good. And you can see historically this coin can do really insane pumps. As I said, definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin and what is the exact price that you are expecting this coin is gonna hit. And if you want to copy my exact trades, don't forget to join my Discord trading group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. So yeah guys, this will be all for me for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.